This question sounds like it's got a lot of instructions, but let's just take it one step at a time and turn it into an equation. When 28 is decreased by 2k, so 28 is decreased by 2k, so 28 minus 2k seems like a good match. The result is less than 16, so you got to remember your inequalities. Less than 16 means we have to open towards the 16, right? That's supposed to be the bigger value. What is the least possible integer value for k? Well, I know it's an inequality, but we still are going to treat this just like an algebra equation. Let's just solve for k and see what we get. So I would start by subtracting 28. So this is the no calculator section, so we're going to have to do that by hand or in our heads. So I do 28 minus 16, which is 12, and then I put the negative back on, so it's negative 12. And then when I divide by negative 2, I get k, and this is the important part, is greater than 6. Remember, when we have an inequality and we divide or multiply by a negative number, the direction of the inequality switches. So now it's facing the opposite direction. That's the one little weird thing about the inequalities. Let me just highlight it to point it out, right? This became the other direction. So k is greater than 6. So what is the least possible integer value for k? Well, if k is greater than 6, then it can't be 6, so it has to be 7, right? That's the next integer in the line. So this one is tricky because even if you do all the algebra right, that inequality poses some problems. We might be tempted to pick C here. If we don't reverse the inequality, we might be tempted to pick B. But now you know. If you made those mistakes, hopefully you won't make them next time.